how you can fix your Beats Solo right side not working. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, check the audio balance on your device. So if you're on iOS, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Audio Visual, and make sure the slider is in the middle. And if you're on Android, go to Settings, then Accessibility, then Hearing, and set the audio balance slider in the middle. Once that is centered, you might hear sound again on the right side. Now, let's reset your Beats Solo headphones. For Beats Solo 3, hold down the power and volume down buttons together for 10 seconds and release when the LED flashes. And for Beats Solo 4, press and hold power and volume down for 10 seconds until the LED flashes red and white. After that, this will clear any small glitches. Then, test your headphones with another device or cable. So, connect your Beats Solo to a different phone or computer. And if you use a cable, try a different one. If the right side works with something else, then the problem might be your first device or cable. After that, look at your headphones closely and check the jack and cable for wear or dirt. Now, if you see any damage, then you might need a repair or replacement. Next, make sure your Beats Solo have the latest firmware. So if you're on iOS, updates happen automatically when your headphones are connected. And if you're on Android, open the Beats app or visit the website to update. Once updated, your headphones might work better. If none of these steps help, then it's time to contact Beats or Apple support, and they will give professional help or service options. And that's it. That's how you can fix Beats Solo right side not working.